Hey, it's Sam Thomas with Providence Group Realty, and I am at 1902 Southbrook Drive in Wylie, Texas. Hey, we got another great listing. 3 bedrooms, 2.5 bath, and over 2,300 square feet. You have got to check it out. Let's go.
This well-maintained 2-story home in the Southbrook community features wonderful updates and great curb appeal. Three bedrooms, 2.5 baths, plus a private office space, which is perfect for those working from home. The well-appointed floor plan allows room for entertaining and everyday living, offering 2 dining spaces, a large kitchen, and 2 living spaces. The updated wood-looking tile floors flow through the first floor and are complemented by the modern paint colors. To top it off, this home has a spacious backyard with a covered patio and new fencing. It is the perfect place for all your favorite outdoor activities.
So once again, if you're looking for a great house in Wylie, Texas, call me directly. My number is 469-298-9786. I'd be happy to show you this home.